Hi, thanks for joining me on another episode of Installer's Corner. I'm Jeff Cliff, Dealer Program and Training Manager at Organized Living. Today we're excited to announce the launch of our newest product line, Select. Select is a traditional built-in storage system which features all the benefits of a wood-based system, but is production-oriented, which means installation couldn't be easier. The Select line is a rail-based system which installs into studs and anchors quickly and efficiently. From there, simply place the panels along the rail and complete your design with shelves, rods, doors, drawers, baskets, and more. And when it comes to designing, Select can be designed in our online design tool for any area of the home. You can create a custom design or let our software do the work for you and choose from our design libraries. I think you're going to love the strength, simplicity, and ease of installation of the Select system and what it's going to offer for your customers. As always, if you have any questions, please contact your dealer support specialist, and I look forward to you joining me on an upcoming episode of Installer's Corner.